From rivals to partners, OpenAI taps Google's chips, YouTube borrows from Google's AI playbook, and Canva is now thinking for you. Welcome to the next phase of the AI takeover. YouTube is evolving, and not just as a video platform. In its latest experimental update, YouTube is testing a new AI-powered search carousel that resembles Google's AI overviews. When you search for a topic on YouTube, this new carousel appears right at the top of your results. But it's not just thumbnails, it's an AI-generated highlight reel, offering summaries from multiple videos, capturing the key points, and giving you a fast, contextual overview of what's available. Think of it as having a personal research assistant scan every relevant video and tell you what matters most, without ever hitting play. This could drastically change how viewers interact with content, especially in categories like tutorials, education, product reviews, and news. For creators, this opens a new kind of visibility. If your video gets featured in this carousel, you're essentially getting top placement, not based on views or SEO alone, but on how well your content matches AI relevance. It also positions YouTube as not just a video library, but a search engine enhanced by AI, blending discovery, summarization, and engagement in a single experience. And while YouTube is doubling down on Google's AI strategies, OpenAI is also heading in that direction. In a surprising twist in the AI arms race, OpenAI is now renting Google's AI chips, specifically Google Cloud's TPUs, to power some of its products like ChatGPT and others. This is a major development because until now, OpenAI has primarily relied on Microsoft's Azure cloud infrastructure and NVIDIA GPUs to run and train its powerful models. Google, on the other hand, has been considered both a competitor and a rival innovator in the AI space, especially with its own Gemini model. So why would OpenAI turn to Google? First, compute demand is skyrocketing. Running a large language model like GPT-4, and soon GPT 4.5 and beyond, requires enormous compute power. With over 100 million users accessing ChatGPT, OpenAI is in constant need of high-performance infrastructure. Second, chip diversity equals reliability. By renting from Google, OpenAI can reduce dependence on a single provider and avoid bottlenecks, latency issues, or outages. This strategy, known as multi-cloud infrastructure, is becoming increasingly common in high-stakes AI operations. While this doesn't mean OpenAI is switching away from its usual, it does show a growing trend. Even fierce competitors are finding ways to cooperate on infrastructure to meet the soaring demands of AI. It's a reminder that in the race to dominate AI, even rivals may share a track, at least when it comes to chips. And while OpenAI is stacking up compute power, Canva is stacking up something else. Design platform Canva just launched something that's quietly revolutionary, deep research, now live through a new service called MCP Server. If you've ever used Canva to make a presentation, report, or infographic, you know the pain. Switching tabs, Googling sources, finding stats, summarizing articles, and then pasting it all in. Not anymore. Canva's deep research integration brings AI-powered research right into your design canvas. You can ask a complex question, and Canva will fetch trusted, summarized answers backed by citations, which you can drag directly into your project. What makes it powerful is the context. It's not just pulling random answers, it understands the visual structure of your work and adapts the tone and format of the content you need. Writing a professional report, it'll give you structured insights. Creating an infographic, you get digestible, stat-rich content. This feature turns Canva from a passive design tool into an active knowledge assistant, blending research and creativity in real time. And let's be honest, with AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity dominating search and summarization, Canva isn't trying to catch up, it's trying to combine those strengths into one seamless design experience. And that's all for today. Join us on Wednesday for another episode. Thank you for watching.